So hi guys, this is Omkarya and today we'll be taking a look at Boat Ardopes 408. This is a TWS earbud. As you can see, it has IWP, ASAP charging, and you can use Google Assistant with it. It is a Bluetooth 5.0 device and supports Bluetooth 5.0. It has 4 hours of playback time on a single charge, 16 hours of playback time with the case, and it has 10 of drivers, and the rest of it is over here, and it supports USB Type-C charging. Now, if you'll ask me the price, it is for 1800 rupees, and inside the box you'll get the case itself, and in this box you'll get a wire, and some extra ear tips. According to the size you can adjust, as in if you like small ear tips, or if you have big ears, and so on and so forth. So you have extra ear tips. And taking a look in the box further, you can also see that in the box you will get a leaflet in which they are showing what kind of products they have, all the products. And going on further, you will get this card which is about warranty, and it gives a number. Call on this number to claim your warranty. And the other thing is this manual. This is for the Airdopes 408, and it's written over here as in how you can use this product, how to pair and how to reset, and so on and so forth. Now, talking about the product, as you can see, this is the product. In the case, these earbuds are there, and these are the earbuds of Airdopes 408. So a good thing about this is, as you pair it with your device, you just have to open the case. Whenever you wanna connect with it, you just have to open the case, and if the Bluetooth is on your device, it'll link to your phone instantly. And rest, talking about the TWS, this TWS is quite a good TWS. I've been using it for 1 year. Whenever you have a problem with the TWS, all you have to do is hold tap and hold both the sides of the earphone, and this will turn red. As it turns red, you'll have to keep the earbud in the case again, and then close the case, and then open it again, and then pair it to your device, and it'll start working. In case if one of the pair is not working in this, you can do that. That's the way you can reset the device. And talking about other things, most of the problem is of connection, which comes quite rarely, but resetting solves that problem. In case you're talking about how I felt using this device, it is quite a good TWS, and it works well. The other thing that I want to tell is that I faced an issue wherein one pair had totally stopped working. So what did I do is that I resetted it, and again after 3 months I faced the same issue. So I used the single pair only for about some days, and the battery drained. After the battery drained, then I just kept it aside and let it fully drain, as in the case battery also drained, and the TWS battery also drained. After that, after 4 to 5 days, I just kept it on charging again, and all of a sudden, it's both the pairs started working, which is a good sign. I thought I would have to go to the customer care, but such thing didn't happen. So it's a good pair. So if you're playing it below 80%, then it's good. But if you're playing it above 80%, then the sound might come a little distorted. So you have to keep that in mind. And the rest, what would I say about it? It's quite a good DWS, and everything's working well, and I like it very much. So thank you guys. If you wanna buy other products also from Boat, you can get it for cheap, and the products are quite good. I've been using this product for some time, and all I want to say is that it's quite good.